In this lesson, we will be learning about equivalent ratios and tables. The standard is RP3. Use ratio and rate reasoning to solve real-world and mathematical problems in equivalent ratios. To solve equivalent ratios, you must first create a proportion. For example, 2 to 3 equals 4 to what? So I'm going to first set this up as a fraction. 2 over 3 equals 4 over question mark. Now later on this year, we will not be using question marks anymore. We'll be using letters, which are called variables. But since we haven't gotten to the algebraic expression unit yet, I'm going to use a question mark. So I set this proportion up and I think to myself, how did I get from 2 to 4? Well, a proportional relationship is a multiplicative relationship, so I either multiplied or divided. Well, 2 times 2 is 4. So whatever I do to the numerator to get to the 4, I also do to the denominator. So my missing value is 6. So 2/3 is equivalent to 4/6. Now here are a few examples. As you can tell, the question mark is now in the numerator. So I'm not going 1 to the question mark, I'm going 4 to 8. And I think to myself, how did I get from 4 to 8? I multiplied by 2. Whatever I did to the denominator, I also do to the numerator. My missing value is 2. On the second problem, I think to myself, how did I get from 5 to 25? I multiplied by 5. I also do that to the denominator. My missing value is 45. Now, dealing with equivalent ratios and tables, it looks complicated, but it is not complicated at all. So, as you can tell, I have that 3/9 boxed off. That is going to be my first fraction no matter what. That is what I'm using every single time. And I'm going to look at each column, 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are my 4 different problems in this table. For example, 3 over 9 equals something over 18. And I think to myself, how did I get from 9 to 18? I multiplied by 2. Whatever I did to the denominator, I also do the numerator. So my missing value is 6. Now, I do the same thing for the next one. 3 over 9 equals 12 over question mark. 3 times 4, 9 times 4, 36 is my missing value. 3 9s over 20 equals 24 over something. 3 times 8, 24. 9 times 8, 72. And then this one is a little out of place. It's not numerical order, but I still want to do it. 3 over 9 equals question mark over 45. 9 times 5 is 45. 3 times 5 is 15.